You know, the batteries that we use is your energy. That's the battery that charges us. And the best charge comes from the right side. If you are charged, can I hear a yes? Right side is very well charged. How about the left side? Bang in the center! And now everyone together! Fantastic! It can talk to all the brains. It can control 1,000 odd machines. This is one maker board. I am switching it on, and trust me, there is nobody behind doing anything. So you see two buttons here: short press, long press, short press, long press. So 4 options. I'm going to send one message, and each of these boards is going to respond. And by the way, this response, let me see if it works. It does. A, B. What comes next? What comes next? What comes next? Nothing. The beauty is each of them is separately operating. I am just controlling it with one click here. A click here again. What comes here? Also, I have created an equalizer, or sort of a visualizer. Let me see the third option. So long press of B. Long press. So that's the visualizer again. By the way, I know we are asking for trouble, because now what's going to happen is all the robots can be controlled by a single click here. Yes. So, and we don't use Wi-Fi, we don't use Bluetooth, it works on a native protocol. So that's the one new thing. So all the devices can talk to each other. You have any Avishkaar robot, they can talk to each other. There is a lot in store for you for today, and there's a lot in store for you for the rest of the year. I want to thank you again. Fantastic. God bless you all. May you have safe journeys back home. May the best team win. And may people who have not won today really consider them as the learners and the blessed ones. Because most of your success comes from a place where you failed the first. All right. Thank you very much. God bless you all.